Welcome back to Meredith Slimes. Here are two little peoples, Jackson Slimes and Maddie Slimes. She's behind the camera. He's going to be in the camera with me. Tell them the things.
Make sure you share. And if you're wondering what's in the background, it's just a very loud TV.
Alright, and you?
Hey guys, make sure to it's Jane.
She's going to be the one behind the camera. And she's going to be the one behind the camera. So she's going to go behind the camera now. She might be in the next video. But you know, whatever.
She's always going to be behind the camera. You know, you guys know
She's
that.
always going to be behind the camera. She's always going to be in front of the camera in the beginning. And on the end. So, today what we're going to be doing is what's in my slime box. So, let's get right on to the video.
With the light.
Okay. So, here's my slime box. This kind of would have fit in my slime box.
Guys,
it's not a real...
you have to guess what's in it.
No, they don't. That's not this video. They don't understand the video. They'll see. But, anyway, this is my slime box. This is where I keep all my slime equipment. This one it fit. It's a big bowl. And this is not a super art coloring kit like it says.
Yeah.
It's just where I keep it because it's plastic and you know, and it has a handle.
It used to be my box because I got this box for Christmas and I used to love coloring. That's why it has that all in it. I got it for Christmas with Santa. And
So
I
let's
used to
open
love it.
this up and get a
Yeah,
close up of what's in my
Christmas,
box.
but now it's
So let's open this baby up. So let's go through it. First, I have my spatula. It has my name on it. Actually, it's really, really cool. I have.
And make sure you have a plastic spatula.
Yeah, and not a wooden one because wood sticks to slime. Oh, the bowl is also included by it now. It wouldn't fit. Here is my slime activator. It is clear Tide. I put it in this glue bottle. And I have 2 empty containers.
But she has a lot of slime.
I have a lot of slime. I have a
It filled up that whole bowl.
I have a bunch of basic white slimes. In my last video, I told you how to make it. Here are some 2 glow-in-the-dark blue slimes. I did add some blue. I did have some blue food coloring to them.
She actually had 3. And look at this big batch of white slime.
Big batch. It's clear, but you know, it's bubbly. It's really, really nice. I will be doing some poking at the end of this video.
And this is a marker.
That's a marker
that she's gonna be using.
That I used to use to stir with. I don't anymore. I have my spatula now. Whatever. I have some holographic sparkles. Can you see the rainbows?
Yeah, they can see the rainbows.
And it's just in this bag because, as you can see, it kind of looks.
Yeah, but we're gonna put some in our
We're gonna put some in clear slime.
Yeah, to make it pretty.
In another video. And yeah.
Well, that
and
is
2 plastic bags for self-inflating whenever they get bigger by playing with them. And then this is a little container. It has a bag of sequins.
And that used to be mine. Put in her white
and this
slime.
I got from a slimy glue kit. It's not borax, it's sodium borax. I really don't use that anymore. Like I said, I use full Tide, clear Tide, or regular Tide. And so here's all the stuff that's in my box. And so let's get on to the poking now.
Make sure you do it down.
Sorry about that.
See, that was my little brother.